Hello everyone, this is a video for anyone who has the MSI Godlike Macs. I know there are not many of us, but if you are like me and you got stuck on the A6 error and could not for the life of you figure out what is going on with this board, and furthermore InVision tells you that you have a boot error, do not listen to it and do not look up code A6. A6 translates to something along the lines of SCSI failed to initiate or something according to the manual. I might have it handy here, let me see. 1 second. Oh yes, here we go. A6, SCSI detect. That is a lie. A6, if you're like me and you were plugged into a monitor that doesn't support it, means you're in the freaking BIOS. Okay, I don't know why we're displaying a damn error code when we're in the BIOS and we are reactive and we can move around and everything's fine. I don't know why the fuck InVision is saying boot error. A6 probably means you're sitting at the fucking BIOS. Now if you're like me and you were plugged into a monitor that was a 3440 by 1440 ultra wide, this one is a 1080p ultra wide. It may just be displaying a black screen. Whatever resolution this is, I don't know what it is. I might be able to get some info here. But whatever resolution this is not a normal like resolution or something. I don't know how to get it to display. I'll look if I can. I'll put a pinned comment, but SD lock on. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how to get it to show the resolution. Not sure. Long press monitor off. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, double check a different monitor. Plug it into something that's 1080p and see if you're sitting at the fucking BIOS. Okay? Cool. See ya.